My name is Bill Collier. I'm a soccer dad like a lot of you guys out there, ladies. My son's a senior in high school now, and he will be going on to play in college. I'm thrilled with that. A couple years ago, Mike McDermott gave an informal presentation at our soccer club, and with that he left us with a guide. From that, I learned a tremendous amount of information, how to contact coaches, what was allowed, what wasn't allowed. And from there really started our process of interacting and setting up relationships with coaches. I took from that, the importance of video, the importance of how to get information to them, set up a website for my son, and it turned out that everything I learned at that presentation and in that guide from the coaches heard that that's exactly what they wanted. It was very successful for us.